All right, we're doing air disc brakes on a 2012 Volvo here. He's already got the old shoes out. It's pretty simple. You make sure you've got over 100 pounds of air in the system, release the brakes. Then you come back to the back side of the air disc brake caliper, and you've got a shear nut adapter, looks like this. And it's got 10 millimeter on the air side. You stick it in here on the nut, and then use a 10 millimeter ratchet or wrench, whatever you want, and you loosen it up to get the tappets to go in, and they're in. And then you slide the shoes in. We'll get our hardware kit. Hardware kit. Super simple. We'll take our hold down bar. I'm sure that's not the proper term. No, we gotta put our retention straps on first. Retention straps, they simply just snap on. Line them up straight. Like, so you're gonna line them up like this, and these push. But they gotta be straight. Got it. Do it. Oh, I heard the pop. That's good. Now you put a bar in. You push down with your hand. Put the retaining pin in. Too easy. You'll come down here. It's got a keeper and a washer. Too easy. And then we'll adjust the brakes. We'll take a ratchet back there. Come back to that nut we were talking about with that shear torque adapter. And we're going to turn it until it's tight. Don't go too tight, you'll break it. And then we'll back it off a quarter turn. Some guys say 3 clicks, 4 clicks. We just go a quarter turn here, and we never have an issue. Done. Super easy, super simple. Best brakes on a heavy duty truck you can get, probably. Super easy, unless you gotta do a whole rotor, then you gotta do wheel seal and the whole hub and everything. And you can see that's a pain. Thanks, guys.